if you want to change icon theme on OnePlus 15, then in this case we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we can proceed to home screen, lock screen and style. And then what we're gonna do is we can tap on the lock screen in order to then proceed to the home screen. So we can swipe in here in order to switch to the home screen. At the bottom we can go to icons and we can actually choose one of these available icon themes. They also have some customization options at the bottom of the screen, so you can choose whichever you like the most. And of course, once you set it up, then you should be able to tap on this apply button in the upper right corner. So let's go ahead and save it. And there we go. We can also scroll up over here in order to find the icons option in here, where we can also change some, we can change the style of these icons as well. It might be just a little bit more convenient to adjust it in here instead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.